No, I really can't. Apples. Where's everybody? Oh, they're laying eggs. Here's Chunks. Wait for me. Come on. You don't like apples?
Yeah, I like them alright.
You like apples? She was going through my legs.
Oh, come here.
Everybody got some? Okay. All gone. Oh, what she? Oh, she must have got rear-ended by the mean goat. Oh no! I'm sorry. Where'd Sheba go? Sheba, it's all right. Come here, Sheba. She got rear-ended by the goat. That wasn't nice.
In other words, the goat goosed her.
Yeah. Hi. Your little ears stick out. Yeah, hi. Hello.
She was goosed by the goat.
Goose by the goat.
It's okay.